Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can perform the first setup of your Google Nest Mini speaker. Okay, so first of all you have to plug it to the electricity and you will get this notification. It will blinks for the white just like that. It means that the device right now it's in setup mode. You don't have to activate any of the pairing mode or something like that. It will be automatically turned to the pairing mode. Next, we have to go for the Google Play Store and we have to go for the Google Home application or the App Store if you are using it on the iPhone. So that's the Google Home. We have to download it if you don't have this application yet. If you have it on your phone, just be sure that you get the latest update. That's very important. Okay, right now we can open this app and just click to get started. We can allow notification to pop on the screen. Right now we have to use our Google account. I'm already logged in with the account, and if you want to add any other account you can use this option right here, so you will be able to add your mail and the password. Right now the device is scanning for the nearby devices, so just click next. The same for the location, and we have to turn on the Bluetooth right here. And as you can see, that's what I said, that right now it is looking for the devices around us, so we have to just be patient until our device will be found. As you can see, there it is, so we can simply tap to set up this device, click yes. Right now it is connecting to our device, and you have to remember also to be connected to the Wi-Fi network. As you can see, here I am. As you can see, the LEDs has changed for the purple, and right now we are connected. There's also the notification that did we hear that sound, so that's obvious. We have to click yes. And there is one very important thing, that sometimes when you try to connect this speaker to the Google Home application, you will find the information on the screen that first you have to activate this device. And what you have to do with this kind of the notification, you have to just simply perform the hard reset of this speaker. And if you don't know how to make it, you can just simply find the video on our YouTube channel. Basically you have to click and hold right here with the muted microphone, so we can mute it right here. Okay, let's go for another step. So we can send the data. I'm gonna skip this step. Right now we can find our room, so we can get the existing one, but you can pick the default. I would like to get, for example, on the bathroom. And right now we can connect to the Wi-Fi network with our speaker. It's important to get the same Wi-Fi on the speaker and the phone, and I mean the device that we are connected. So I'm going for this one, click next, and as you can see right now we have to input this password. So let me just make it out of the camera. If you want to check the password, click right here, and if you are sure that it's correct, tap on the connect button. Okay, right now we are connected. Click next. Click continue. Click agree. Okay Google, what is the weather tomorrow? So we have to say this phrase for a few times. Okay Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. Hey Google, make a call. And the last one is, hey Google, set the timer for 5 minutes. So that's basically the voice detection. You have to set it up, but you don't have to. It's about your own preferences if you are going to use this voice function. So as you can see, you will get the personal results on the devices at S29. We can also turn it off if you mind. So let's turn it on. Click next, and there's also the information about what you want to set up next. If you want to finish, you can just unselect these things. But I'm gonna pick this one to listen to the music and radio. Click next another time, and right here you can pick your default music service. I'm using YouTube Music, so that's the only one. But if you are using two services, or maybe you are using only the Spotify, you can just mark it like right here. You can just simply change it in the settings, so it doesn't matter. Click next. There's information about the hardware products and other related features, so you can decide. I'm gonna say no thanks. As you can see, there's the base information. We are going to use this speaker in the bathroom. The services, it will be the YouTube Music, and we are connected with this Wi-Fi. So click to continue. And here we can find the information about the controls. So if you want to play or pause music, you just have to click right here. If you want to volume up or volume down, you can use these buttons right here. If you want to mute or unmute the microphone, you have to make it like that.
The mic's off. The microphone is back on.
If you want to reset, just click and hold right here. There we go. As you can see right now, it's ready. So right now we can say, okay,
Hi,
Google,
I'm your Google Assistant.
play some Justin Bieber music on the YouTube Music.
Okay, here's your YouTube Music playlist called Justin B.
Okay, so as you can hear and as you can see, everything is fine. And that's how it looks with the Google Nest Mini. Right now we just have to tap to finish this setup. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.